Shanza. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Brian and Sly. So first of all, we'll start by saying thank you to God for a brand new day. We don't take it for granted. So on our video today, we'll be dealing with a backup 700 APC and how to actually change its battery. 1, 2, 3, 4. You haven't seen none of this before. 1, 2, 3, 4. You haven't seen none of this before. So come and show you. So as you can see on the UPS, it's blinking. This means that this won't be able to support electricity or your devices in case the electricity goes off if you find it blinking like this. So what we need to do is replace the battery. So first thing I'll do, I'll remove the power from behind like that. Next, I'll take my tester, remove this yellow area to actually cut off the remaining power that is on the battery. So just remove this. Okay. Next, I need you to actually see that the battery is usually located on the front part of the APC, backup 700 APC. So there's usually some 2 screws over here. This is what we need to open. So I'll actually just open really fast. That one, and that one. Okay. Next thing, you'll slide this actually outer covering down, just like that. And then you remove simply the cover. So you've actually been able to actually access the battery. We'll remove these terminals over here from the plates. So just like that, simply just push it like that, then push the other one, just like that. Hold the wires, cables like this, and then remove the battery. Just I'll slant it like that, and you have the battery. So I have the replacement battery over here. It's a sealed, maintenance-free battery. It's a brand new one. So just open it. Okay. Remove these outer coverings, and we will be able to replace the battery. So this is the battery right here, you can see. So I'll place it like this. I'll push the battery inside until it actually fits there, and then put these 2 terminals back where they're supposed to be as per the color coordination. This is for black and this is for red. So this one goes here, then this one goes here. Just verify it's actually there. It's actually inserted properly. Okay. Next we'll put the outer covering. So as we actually removed it, we'll take this top part where this is supposed to be, this green area is a bulb, the green bulb here. You place it back there. So done, and then you push it back up. Next, what you need to do is actually just screw back the 2 screws. There you go. It's a very fast process. It won't even take you more than 10 minutes. Okay, good. Just ensure the screws are inserted properly. Ensure now you replace this yellow connection back to actually establish an ultimate connection on the battery. So I've actually connected that. Okay, the next thing we'll actually now need to actually power on the device. So I'll take it back. Okay. Take the power cable, insert it there, and as you can see, it's actually a constant green. So in case the electricity goes off, this will actually be able to back up the electricity, and for those 15 to 20 minutes max. So you can actually see it's now back online. I'll put other cables that are supposed to be there. There's the back-to-back cable here. Okay, and voila, we're done. So thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Share, subscribe, and like. From me, I say bye.